So we have our events together with our partner, US Healthcare Career Philippines, across the country. And ito yung mga successful nurses natin who already passed the NCLEX. So moving forward, makikita din natin yung mga faces ninyo dito and yung mga success story po ninyo. Manifest po natin yan. Yan. So some of the feedbacks of our nurses, available po yan sa ating Nasha mobile app, sa ating Facebook pages, sa ating website, no? So mababasa po natin yan. We have assisted nurses around the globe. So kahit saan po kayo located, pwedeng-pwede po namin kayong matulungan. So the services that we offer, we do have NCLEX USA, NCLEX Australia, NCLEX Canada, Visa Screen, license endorsement, USRN license renewal, yung exam exemption, no, we provide that one, score transfer, past letter requisition, CGFNS certification program, Middle East exam application, English language test appointment, local license verification, and school requisition of documents. So itong local license verification natin, once we process the NCLEX, once we process the visa screen, kailangan po nating mag-submit ng verification doon sa Board of Nursing or health authorities just like the CGFNS. Same as the school requisition of documents. So if yung school ninyo is located in provinces, nasa abroad po kayo, malayo po kayo sa school address ninyo, or working kayo, we can definitely help you with your school requisition of document as well. And kanina na-discuss ni Sir, we have our online review. So yung online review natin, accessible lang po yan sa Nasha mobile app. Mayroon tayong mga free version at saka mayroon tayong mga premium review. Okay, so let's talk about the demand of nurses in the US, which already discussed by Miss Laika from US Healthcare Career Philippines earlier. So just to give you an idea, no, according to the BLS or the Bureau of Labor Statistics, no, there's gonna be an increase of 6%, no, from 2021 to 2031. That's 193,000 opening for RNs by year 2032. So we're talking about millions of nurses ang kailangan sa US. Now, let's talk about the updates on the application. So kanina doon sa registration, may nakita tayo kasi nilagay natin doon kung saan yung desired state ninyo to work in the US. Sa application po, mayroon tayong tinatawag na best recommended states. Ibig sabihin po noon, kahit wala kayo sa US, nandito pa lang kayo sa Pilipinas or outside the Philippines or the US, we can process the NCLEX. So, may mga requirements po kasi na dapat i-consider. Just like the English proficiency exam, just like what I mentioned earlier, yung English exam natin is only valid for 2 years. So, hindi pwedeng unahin natin yung English exam, then the NCLEX. The right thing to do is to process your NCLEX first, and after passing the NCLEX, we can take the English exam. And other thing naman na i-consider natin is yung work experience, no? So sa ngayon lang po, no? Ngayon lang po, very particular yung Board of Nursing when it comes to the work experience and yung social security number. So some of the states, before you can start with the application, they need to require you a social security number, which we can only obtain once we arrive in the US. Okay? So kanina may nakita tayo doon, Nevada, California. So ito yung mga states na you can only start with the application pag mayroon na tayong SSN. So the best thing na gagawin, yung pinakamagandang gagawin natin is process your NCLEX doon sa state na hindi nagre-require ng SSN or English exam. Then after passing that state, we can process license endorsement and reciprocity, which the good thing about the license endorsement and reciprocity is employer na po yung nag-shoulder niyan. So kanina na-discuss po ng US Healthcare Career Philippines na they also provide sponsorship for the visa screen and license endorsement. Okay? So as of this time, mayroon tayong 4 highly recommended states for NCLEX. Before po, ano po yan? 5 po yan. Kasali po yung Texas. But because of the deficiency issue in Texas, we don't encourage nurses na mag-process ng NCLEX. Kung hindi lang naman Texas yung state of deployment. But for instance, na yung deployment natin is in Texas, then we can basically process license endorsement directly to Texas. So yung ating 4 recommended states, we have New York, Illinois, NMI, and New Mexico. So yung update natin doon sa New York is that yung local license verification natin is optional. So maraming nagtatanong, sir, what will happen if hindi ko po i-declare? Baka po mayroong negative implication yan sa application or sa eligibility ko. Since optional po yung local license natin, ibig sabihin wala pong negative implication. Ang advantage po, mas mabilis yung approval natin, and at the same time makakasave tayo ng around 4,000 pesos. After passing the NCLEX, saka na po natin i-declare yung ating local license verification for the visa screen process. Okay? And yung mga pumasa na ng NCLEX New York, maybe some of you naka-receive kayo ng email na need ninyo i-update yung CEUs natin, yung Child Abuse or Infection Control. Kasi if you previously used the NIT CE, no? So mag-i-email po or may ma-receive kayong notification from the Board of Nursing that you need to update that one. So wala po tayong dapat i-worry. Message na siya, we can help you with that. All we need to do is to update your CEU certificate sa ibang provider na accepted ng Board of Nursing. For Illinois State, the same process yan. No? So if you want to know more about the specifics of the process, we will be sending you an email after this orientation. For the NMI naman, before, paper application to sila, but ngayon, we will have online application with NMI. So mas madali na lang, you will have your portal account. We can basically check kung ano na yung nangyayari or progress ng application natin. For the New Mexico, this is good news kasi before, yung application validity and criminal background check is only valid for 6 months. No? So ang bilis ng expiration. But just the New Mexico updated the application and criminal background check validity. So valid na po yan for 1 year. Okay? For the visa screen naman, good news, mabilis po ang process ng visa screen. If you already passed the NCLEX, we would recommend you to start with your visa screen process. 15 days to 1 month certification and you can receive your electronic certificate sa email na ginamit natin doon sa application nyo po. So, if you already passed the NCLEX, 15 days to 1 month or sometimes earlier than that, you can receive your certificate. And yung certification natin, that's valid for 5 years. So, kailangan po ng employer natin, no, yung visa screen certificate natin. And most of the employers, they provide sponsorship as well for the visa screen. Next is license endorsement. So this is very important, itong update ngayon sa license endorsement because some of the states, they are really particular with the nursing work experience. So if you already passed the NCLEX and naghihintay tayo ng movement sa visa bulletin, if matagal pa yung PD natin, we would recommend you to message na siya para ma-check yung state of deployment mo if nagre-required ba ng work experience. No? Kasi if ever na wala tayong work experience, hindi po tayo qualified to proceed with the license endorsement. So it's better na kahit nandito pa lang kayo sa Pilipinas, wala pa kayong ginagawa, go back to bedside, go back to hospital setup, and then earn or obtain your work experience as a nurse. Then we have the score transfer. Kanina may nakita tayo doon sa registration. Maybe pumasa ng Australia, no? And then wanted to do the score transfer papuntang US. So as of this time, there are only two states na nag-accept ng score transfer kasi yung Washington pending pa yung legislation. So we do have Colorado and NMI. So it needs to have work experience sa Colorado and sa NMI if you graduated 10 years ago. Okay? So clear ba yon? Clear ba yon? So I guess clear yon sa inyo. So we can start with the pre-assessment and evaluation. This is why very important yung pre-assessment and evaluation para ma-check natin yung eligibility natin before we proceed with the process. Kasi hindi naman natin pinupulot yung pera, pinaghihirapan natin yon. So dapat ma-check kung eligible ba tayo to proceed. Now, good thing about with NASHA, we offer free assessment and evaluation. So send lang po natin yung TOR and RLE natin, yung high school diploma natin, college diploma, PRC ID license. So make sure if i-declare natin yung PRC ID license natin, it should be valid within 6 to 8 months before we can proceed with the application process. Board rating natin, if available, passport with signature, marriage certificate, and birth certificate. So yun lang yung kailangan natin for the pre-assessment and evaluation. Take note guys, ang NCLEX application is as per passport. So whatever the name indicated in the passport, yan at yan yung gagamitin natin sa application. So yung mga bagong kasal, no, congratulations sa mga bagong kasal na gustong mag-update ng name. May instance na nagpa-process ng NCLEX, hindi nag-inform sa atin, nag-update pala ng name. So what happened during the examination is hinanapan ng other documents. So ngayon, kung hindi mo dala yung other supporting documents mo, you cannot take the exam. There are things like that po. Okay? And yeah, you can download our Nasha mobile app. As you can see in the screen, ganito po yung viewing natin. You can check the recorded classes and the QBanks that we have. Makikita din natin yung ating summary ng exam natin, yung scores natin, and ano yung areas na need improvement. So again, we do have free version and premium version. Available yan sa ating Nasha mobile app. And by next week, Tuesday, excited po tayo. Ito na po yung 2.0 version ng ating Nasha platform, which is available through web. So pina-enhance po natin aside from the mobile app. You can check yung ating, of course, the progress of your application. You can check yung mga recorded classes natin to better help you with your exam preparation and review. Kasi yung goal po natin dito is for you to pass the NCLEX 1K. Okay? And mayroon ding mga English review courses dito, no? English language preparation review test. Available na din yan sa app natin with our partners. We do have K+, no? So, available yung mga contents. You can do your review using the Nasha app or the Nasha platform. And some of the feedbacks of our nurses and events, okay? Available yan sa website natin, sa social media platforms natin, available yan. And some of the feedbacks, no? Makikita natin dito kung paano natin tinulungan yung nurses. Again, Nasha is not just a processing company that we process your application. Nasha is a Hebrew name, means a blessing to a journey. So we wanted to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad. Kasi alam namin na hindi madali, mahirap, pero at the end of the day, kasama nyo kami, kasama nyo yung mga partners namin, it will be worth it. And kayang-kaya nating i-achieve yan. Some of the feedbacks, okay? And we have our Nasha Talks, no? So, halimbawa, naguguluhan ka, nagkakaroon ng anxiety, medyo hindi mo alam yung situation mo, wala kang study guide, no? Instead of looking doon sa mga entertainment na vlogs, no, na might be nagdi-distract sa iyo or kumbaga nakafocus ka na, no, sa panonood ng mga vlogs na yan, which is actually good. But again, 6 months na sacrifice, after 6 months of your exam preparation and review, you pass the NCLEX, it will be worth it. After that one, ano na yan? Good to go na yan. Kasi yung main ticket lang natin dito is for you to pass the NCLEX. And once you pass the NCLEX, there's a lot of opportunities na naghihintay sa inyo. So available yung Nasha Talks natin, different stories and success stories of our nurses. No, pakinggan nyo yan. You can, pwedeng habang may ginagawa kayo, pwede nyo pakinggan. Learn from them. Ano yung naging strategies nila? Ano yung mga struggles nila? I guess, sabi nga ni Sir kanina, iba-iba yung learning style natin, but you can relate with the struggles and difficulties of nurses who already passed the NCLEX, especially if working ka, wala kang time, may anak kang binabantayan. We all know this kind of story. And we wanted to partner with you to achieve your professional goal abroad and working as a nurse in the USA. And we have our upcoming promotions and payment option. For example, if you choose NCLEX New York, mayroon kang 4 na option to proceed with your application. So yung first option natin, you will be allowed to pay a certain amount, and after 30 days, you can pay the remaining. Kasi alam naman natin na yun nga, medyo mahirap yung budget natin. So in order for you to start your NCLEX, you can just pay a certain amount, and then after 30 days na yung remaining natin. Option 2 natin, you will be discounted if you pay the step 1 process. Then option 3, halimbawa may kaibigan ka, may colleagues ka, no? Or classmate mo ba, yung kakapasa lang ng PNLE, and then you wanted to take the NCLEX, so you will be discounted for about 2,000 pesos each, no? Hindi ganun kalaki, pero malaking tulong na yon sa panahon ngayon. And option 4, if you wanted to make a payment through credit card, so you also get a discount. And of course, malapit na yung araw ng mga puso, no? Sino ba dito yung mga in love, or sino ba dito yung naging inspiration yung Mahal sa Buhay to take the NCLEX or to be in the USA, no? So discounted po tayo ng 2,500 for the NCLEX process natin, no? Step 1. So regardless of the state, as long as step 1, this will start February 1 to 15. So avail po tayo niyan. Okay? And yun po, we have assisted thousands of medical professionals around the globe. And we are proud to say that we are the only processing company that has a mobile app designed for the application process. So you can download the app in App Store, in Google Play Store, that's for free. You can send an email for the free assessment and evaluation, or you can contact us with this phone number or available sa website namin para we can have a pre-assessment and evaluation or consultation. So after this event, we will be sending you an email, especially doon sa mga pumasa na ng NCLEX. So the program of US Healthcare Career Philippines will be also introduced to you, including yung mga ongoing and planning to take the NCLEX. So if